Apropo de aliniata așa. Introduce you to Gina. I'm going for an appointment. Today was okay. Ce pasa, nu pasa. Do you know where Dark Fate lives? That's for something good.
Se apuca să dăm mine poveste pe care am crescut aproape și un afici în salariu.
Hello lovely people and welcome to the vlog. As you can see here, I'm enjoying a nice lovely walk in my lunch break. We didn't have much of a summer in the UK this year and I am so excited for this sunny, lovely weather. So that's why I'm outside in park, having a dance, walking my steps, just trying to stay active. I think we really need this so much, especially because if you're like me and you work a 9-to-5 job or a traditional job or any other job in an office, that means that you stay so many hours in front of your computer on a chair, just like I am doing, and it's so important to move our body, and we shouldn't miss any opportunity that we have to go out and move our bodies, especially if it's sunny, because this is a luxury in the UK. If you're in the UK and the sun is out, that's your diamond. Like, this is your treasure. Just make the most of it and go out, because you never know when Mr. Sunshine will be back. Okay? See you soon.
Con tus labios rosados yo me muero por una prueba de placer. Siempre que estoy a tu lado, lo que siento nadie más lo podrá saber. Vamos y sin censura, yo te hago todo a ti, dulzura. Que para eso tú y yo solo cuenta todo. Y si tú quieres te pone a buscar.
So, what a beautiful day. It's finally summer in the UK and I am so grateful and so excited for this. I'm going for an appointment and I'm just enjoying the weather. It's amazing, it's amazing. I hope you're well and you're having a gorgeous day as well. Just like you, fabulous people. Can this day get any better? Had such a productive day at work. Apart from my lunch break, I didn't have much of a break, and I usually try to have 1 or 2 breaks in the morning and in the afternoon. But today, I completely forgotten about it. Today the time went by so fast that I didn't realize I didn't have a break. It doesn't really matter because I've done a lot of important tasks. So hopefully tomorrow will be a smoother day. We shall see. Oh my god, I'm loving the sunshine. Vitamin D. It's a shadow, but vitamin D, come to mama. Cause I'm loving it. Cause I am loving it. It's a beautiful, oh yes. Vitamin D, come to mama. So nice. Blood tests are done, going back home. And according to the nurse's feedback, I did quite well today. This time compared to the previous times where I almost fainted and I started to hyperventilate myself. Today was okay, so I think it's because of the sun. Mr. Sunshine is finally here and I love it. Finally summer.
Como tú lo mueves a pa pam pam, haciendo locura en la mañana. Si alguien te pregunta no ha pasado nada, solo amaneciste en mi cama. Dale, bésame, ven y atrápame. Hagamos jueguitos que de chiquito no pude hacer. Dale, bésame, ven y atrápame.
Dați-l pe sos. My dear husband, he's with Trixie and with the Wanderer together. Stop.
No demuestra lo que tú haces con mi piel. Vamos y sin censura, yo te hago todo a ti dulzura. Que para eso esto yo solo cuenta todo. Y si tú quieres te pone a buscar como tú lo mueves, pam.
¿Qué pasa, Lufasa? And we're gonna park it here. Am ajuns în natură. We're gonna chill for a little bit, enjoying the sunset. Can you see the beautiful sky? Can you? Hi guys, and welcome to the video. Today is Saturday and we're now getting ready to go to an orchard to meet some friends. The plan is to relax. Yesterday I didn't vlog anything. I was super exhausted after I finished work. My eyes were so tired. It's been quite an intense week and I was involved in some tasks that really consumed my energy. So yeah, that's what happens usually at the end of the week. My eyes get tired, I guess for staring too much in front of the screen. What can I do? I don't think there's anything that you can do with this one, because nowadays everybody who has an office job has to deal with this situation. But now I'm okay. I'm better-ish. I'm happy we're gonna go out. Hopefully we're gonna relax. And now it's a bit cloudy, it's a bit windy. I really hope the weather will stay nice, because we don't want any rain. I'm trying not to think of what the forecast has predicted. There was an article yesterday saying that rain and thunderstorms are approaching. Okay. I guess the summer was too long, right? Here for a change, but I'd like to introduce you to Gina. Gina is my baby flower. I got her as a present for my birthday from a dear friend of mine, and you probably saw her because she was in the vlog that I posted, not the vlog, was like in the sit-down video that I posted last week. 33 lessons in 33 years. And that's another thing, that's why I felt quite tired this morning, because I stayed until 1:30 last night to finish editing the vlog, to schedule it and have it ready for you guys. So much love, so much work I put into that one. I really hope you enjoyed it. If you didn't watch it, go watch it now. I'm gonna put the link in the video description. It's really nice and it's very dear to my heart, everything that I shared with you in that vlog. There's something else that I wanted to share with you. Okay, so this book, and it's called Cybersecurity, like Confident Cybersecurity, is written by Jessica Barker. I think it's very easy to read. I encourage you to read it if you are interested in this subject. Of course, this book talks about the dark web. The dark web is an actual place, okay? The dark side of the internet.
The dark side.
Now let me tell you, the dark web actually do exist. It's the dark side of the internet. I guess that's where Darth Vader lives. What do you think, dude? Let me ask you, are you aware of his whereabouts? Do tell us, do tell us. Do you know where Darth Vader lives?
Where is he?
Anyway, he won't tell, he won't tell, but he's one of the soldiers who came to the light. I'm putting him here next to Gina to guard her. We are in the technological era, we're just undertaking this huge transition, the rise of the machine, Transformers, Terminator. I'm gonna have a bumblebee, I'll be happy. Bumblebee is gonna be the only bee I'm not afraid of. I'm just gonna run now because I need to get ready. We need to go in a few minutes. I'm gonna take Trixie, my bike. My husband's gonna take the Wanderer, his bike, and we're just gonna cycle to a magical location. And I will share the location with you. See you in a bit.
You say you don't wanna get in trouble, that you don't find 'cause you got me. I don't wanna break your little bubble, but you gotta wake up to reality. 'Cause I can see in your eyes, your head is full
Da, n-are el până noapte.
Ce faci,
Sunt
mă?
lejiți, certănați.
Căluț, căluț.
Nu se fac. Mie nu miroase. Nu-mi dau, nu mai fac. De ce? Te pică? Te pică? Atunci?
Ui, dar ce frumos se simte.
Baia.
Și ce, dar ce mușchi. Ui.
E blând asta. Bine, că la căluți, ca și la văcuță, dacă le dai muștele de pe ochi, sunt cei mai buni prieteni.
Can do whatever you like. You don't have to be ready. You just gotta trust the right. Don't have to be scary. You just gotta follow the light. You're able to be happy. You can do whatever you like.
M-aș vrea să suntem mulți. Dar vezi că sunt împreună, în familie. Dar uite, vezi, sunt însemnați. Oh. Hello!
Uite cum vine.
Hai încoa, hai încoa! Haide! Haide, hai încoa! Haideți încoa, hai! Ia uite cum vine! Frumosule! E roz! Ce faci? Wow! Oh, dar ce frumos alergi! Oh la la! Păi da! Ce frumos sunteți! Ia uite! Da, ăsta care da. Ia uite.
Bine, ei nu slabi, sunt atletici.
Da, sunt plini de mușchi, uite-te la ei. O, da. Luna plină, nu-i așa? Yay, ce faci, pupi? Ui, dai papa? Ce faci, măi, căluț? Poftă bună! Poftă bună! Ui, pupi, ce drăguț! Și lasă-mă, nu mă mângâia prea mult.
Lasă-mă, mai dă iar.
Apropo de aliniat, așa am pățit cu văcuțele.
Pero fue así, me enamoré de ti. No sé si fueron los besos, pero sé que algo pasa acá. Porque se me ocurrió, sí sé que nunca podré tenerte, yeah. Eres perfecta al momento equivocado, yeah. Ay, qué pecado.
Unde-i Pegas? Unicorn! Hello! Yeah! Pop, căluții!
Goodbye, goodbye, goodbye.
Ăla nu e gen spectanul.
Happy Tuesday, happy wonderful sunny Tuesday. We've reached the end of the vlog. I started to record last Tuesday when it was rainy and cold outside. I'm having my lunch break. I'm just gonna go to the shop to buy some groceries and then go back home and continue my work from home situation. I didn't record much during the week because I feel like my schedule is pretty much the same. All I do is work 9 to 5. I honestly cannot believe that we only have 2 weeks left from the month of August and then September is here. The new academic year will start very soon and I don't know, this will be the end of the summer. Well, the so-called summer, because we don't have much of a summer. Not yet, but there's still hope. Fingers crossed for the Indian summer in September, October. That remains to be seen.
I do believe in fairies!
They're predicting we're gonna have 30, 31 degrees this weekend, which I'll be very happy about it. If this happens, I will be so excited because this weekend we have our 10-year alumni weekend reunion, so we're going back to the university. Essex University. I'm so excited. We're gonna go back with all our friends from uni and we're gonna have a nice lovely weekend. We're gonna have a nice lovely weekend going down memory lane, and I just think it's going to be great. I'm so excited for that. Essex University, I think, is one of the best places to go. Yeah, I'm quite nostalgic and melancholic when I think of my university years because it was really amazing. And I cannot believe it's been 10 years since I graduated. Where did the time go? Where did the time go? I guess time flies when you're having fun. I shall see you in the next vlog. Thank you so much for being here. Thank you for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it. And if you have anything specific that you guys would like to film, like if you guys want to see anything specific on my vlogs, if you want me to talk about particular subjects, please let me know in the comments below and I shall do that. Thank you for being here, guys. You guys are absolutely fantastic and amazing humans. Thank you so much. I value and I appreciate you, and I shall see you in the next one. Take care.